watching the award-winning GHS-TV, a nationally recognized student television station.
Hello parents, my name is Dr. John Stencil and I am the principal at Germantown High School. I wanted to welcome you to our open house, let you know how we're going to do things and who you're going to meet in this video. In this video, you will meet not only myself, but our other administrators and other key players that'll be essential to your child's education. The way that we run open house is very different than other schools. We don't run a bell schedule, we don't put you on a timer. What we do is we let you move freely throughout, meet the teachers that you need to meet, come to my office, meet me with questions. I'm happy to answer them for you. This is very relaxing, no problems, no stress. We just want to give you the opportunity to see what we do at Germantown High School.
Good evening, I'm Dr. Gore and I oversee guidance. This is my 15th year at Germantown High and I'm excited to be at the best school in Memphis. To that end, I want to encourage all our students to take advantage of the many clubs, athletics, and academic opportunities that GHS has to offer. My email address is on the screen. If there's anything I can do to help, don't hesitate to reach out.
Hello, and welcome to a brand new school year. I am one of the assistant principals, Ms. Fain. I am the testing coordinator and science department administrator. My office is located in the M building. Your behavior and discipline directly affect your Germantown High School experience. Remember to dress appropriately, follow the school rules, and be respectful. Have a great year.
I'm Matt Martinez. I'm an assistant principal here at Germantown High School. I'm the 11th grade administrator as well as the administrator over attendance. That's your tardies, absences, and class cuts. If you have any issues with any of those, you can stop by the C office to see me at any time or email me at martinezm1. Otherwise, I'd just like to welcome you back and have a great, wonderful school year here at Germantown High School.
Welcome back, Germantown High School. I am Ms. Purtle, one of your assistant principals. I am the special education administrator and the administrator over AP testing. If you guys have any questions about students that have some type of plan, whether it's an IEP, 504, or RTI, please see me. My office is located over in the M building.
My name is Mr. Damian Longino. I'm one of the assistant principals here at Germantown High School. I am over the 9th and 10th grade levels. My responsibilities are the discipline coordinator, athletic administrator, and operations administrator. I'm looking forward to a great year with you this year, and go Red Devils.
Greetings and welcome back, Germantown High School family. I am Dr. Mitchell, one of your assistant principals. I serve as the administrator for the B as in Best building, the mathematics department, 12th grade, RTI 2B, which is response to instruction and behavior intervention, majorettes, basketball, cheer, and volleyball. If you have any questions or concerns related to any of these areas, please don't hesitate to reach out. My office is in the BS and Best building, and my door is always open to support our students, staff, and families. I look forward to a positive, productive, and successful school year with the amazing Red Devils of Germantown High School. Let's make this year our best one yet. Go Red Devils!
Good evening, freshman parents. My name is Rose Clemenson. I'm the 9th grade professional counselor. My office is in V building. I'm happy with your choice of Germantown High School for your child's education. Germantown is built on many legacies, but not any as great as the students who make up our school. Please enjoy your evening and have a good tour of our school. Thank you.
Greetings and welcome back to another amazing year here at Germantown High School. I am Dr. Cunningham, your 10th grade counselor. I am here to support you throughout this academic journey. Whether you have questions, concerns, or simply need a listening ear, please do not hesitate to stop by my office located in Building V or reach out via email. Enjoy your visit, and I look forward to partnering with you and your student for a successful year.
Good evening, and welcome to our open house. My name is Ms. Lee, and I am the 11th grade counselor here at GHS. My contact information is listed below, and the quickest way to reach me is through email. Enjoy your visit tonight, and parents, I look forward to working with you and your junior students. Thank you.
Welcome to Germantown High and good evening. My name is Miss Winston and I'm the 12th grade counselor. My contact information is listed below, the quickest way to reach me being through email. Parents, enjoy this evening and I look forward to working with you and your senior students. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Dr. Wendy Willingham, College and Career Counselor for Germantown High School. I am beginning my 24th year as a professional school counselor for Memphis-Shelby County Schools, and I am so excited to work with you as you make post-secondary plans. Whether your plans include college, vocational training, joining the armed forces, or going to work, I'm here to help you get there.
Good evening, parents and students. My name is Martha Morris. I serve as our optional school counselor. My students include 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th graders who are admitted to the Collegiate Academy, which replaced our IB program, or to Kappa, our Creative and Performing Arts program. If you are talented, highly motivated, and love a challenge, drop by M106 or email Kim Tucker or Martha Morris for more information. Have a great year as a Red Devil.
Good afternoon, students and parents. I'm Dr. Camille Collins, and I am Germantown High School Student Government Association sponsor. I am so excited for this year. SGA has so many events planned, beginning with our very first pep rally on September the 4th, as Coach Sutton and the boys take on our Sheffield High School. Seniors, we cannot wait to see your custom t-shirts and camo for that day. And just a gentle reminder to our underclassmen, camo on campus is a senior privilege and your day will come. SJ is also looking forward to the week of October the 2nd for the 2027 Homecoming Week. Be on the lookout for QR codes to run for Homecoming Princess and Homecoming Queen. For our seniors, the due dates for our senior package are due on October the 1st, and we have a jam-packed year for you guys, beginning with Senior Tailgate on October the 23rd, Celebrity Night on December the 12th, where Mr. and Miss Germantown will be revealed. As a proud Red Devil for over 30 years, I am thrilled to share in the excitement with our incoming 9th graders. As they begin their incredible journey of high school, always remember to open your hearts, offer love, support, and kindness to one another as you grow, learn, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Welcome to the Red Devil Nation.
Hi, I'm Allison Long. I am the coordinator of our Creative and Performing Arts program. If you are a part of our program, or if you would like to be, you can come find me in upstairs C building. You are always welcome to contact me at the information found on your screen. Hope you have a great year.
For more information about the Kappa program, visit ghskappa.com or call 755-7775.